Alternator parts and their functions. 1. Pulley. The pulley is located at the front of the alternator and is connected to the engine's crankshaft via a serpentine belt. As the engine runs, the belt turns the pulley, which drives the alternator's rotor, initiating the process of generating electricity. 2. Housing. The housing, typically made of aluminum, encloses and protects the internal components of the alternator. It consists of two parts, the front and rear housings, which are bolted together. The housing also helps dissipate heat generated during operation, ensuring the alternator functions efficiently. 3. Front bearing. The front bearing supports the rotor shaft at the front of the alternator, allowing it to rotate smoothly. It reduces friction and wear, ensuring the alternator operates quietly and efficiently. Proper lubrication and maintenance of the bearing are essential for the alternator's longevity. 4. Rotor. The rotor is the rotating component of the alternator, consisting of a coil of wire wound around an iron core. When the rotor spins within the stator, it creates a magnetic field, which induces an electrical current in the stator windings. This process is the core of the alternator's function. 5. Rear bearing. Similar to the front bearing, the rear bearing supports the rotor shaft at the rear of the alternator. It ensures smooth rotation and reduces friction, contributing to the alternator's overall efficiency and durability. 6. Stator. The stator is a stationary component surrounding the rotor, consisting of a series of wire coils. As the rotor's magnetic field passes through the stator windings, it induces an alternating current, AC. The stator plays a critical role in generating the electrical output of the alternator. 7. Carbon brushes rectifier combination. The carbon brushes maintain electrical contact with the slip rings on the rotor, allowing current to flow into the rotor coil. The rectifier, typically a set of diodes, converts the alternating current, AC, produced by the stator into direct current, DC, which is used to charge the battery and power the vehicle's electrical systems. 8. Slip ring. The slip rings are conductive rings mounted on the rotor shaft, which maintain electrical contact with the carbon brushes. They allow current to flow into the rotor coil, creating the magnetic field necessary for generating electricity. The slip rings must be kept clean and free of wear to ensure proper alternator function.